This is me just being in the bathroom for like 2 minutes. It's a lot darker in real life person, guys. Compared to this, that's like kind of a little normal. Wow. Look at that. That's amazing. Whoa. Oh, there's fireworks over there, guys. I'm not talking to you. Guys, I'm putting myself in risk for you guys. You don't know how risky this is. Guys, people doing freaking fireworks on the freaking, the 6th. Oh, it's only the 6th. It's not like the 10th yet. I'll do this, guys. This is what you do when there's like a electrical hazard and like you run into like one of those poles or something, electrical pole that's connected. If you can't walk on the ground, you jump from your car like this. You go with your feet together. When is it walking back? Now, I'll let you guys still watch. Oh, guys. There was a massive firework. I hope you guys seen that. There's even freaking lightning back over that way. That way, too. I'm getting cornered. Oh, no. That got dark. Like, way too fast. Guys, this is awesome. Wow. She just threw her phone right up in the air. What an idiot. Who would put their phone in that risk? I want it. When I get enough money, then I will. Fireworks over that way. there were fireworks like right by that one pole right there, but then now they're gone. People don't. It was back further than that pole though. Then you guys seen fireworks over there, and then over there, and then almost all over now, guys. People doing fireworks. It's unreal. Are people doing this? I'm gonna walk right here because I'm awesome. Because I want to walk right back in. It feels like it's nighttime, even though it's. I know. Even though it's 8:53, just give.
Say goodbye to your YouTube.
Look at this.
Let's go.
What's that?
I know, that means let's go inside.
Getting scared?
No, actually I'm not. I just don't want to get in trouble.
Okay. Guys, I'm gonna have to go. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, turn post notifications on.
Hey, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to HS Marissa 6.
Don't.
No, it's just underscore Marissa 6. I'm trying to get to 50 subscribers because once I get to 50 subscribers, I changed my mind. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be doing the Ice Bucket Challenge, and I'm going to be celebrating with eggs on top of my head. So, follow me, because here's the motherfreaking tea. I'm the queen.
No. Okay, guys, I hope you guys like this video, and she just dropped her phone, guys. Hope you guys like this minute.
Wow.
And goodbye, guys. Fireworks all in the air.